In 1948, Royal Enfield unveiled its first parallel twin, simply known as 500 Twin. It shared the same chassis as of 350cc Bullet. The 500 Twin was joined by 700cc Meteor in 1953, which was soon transformed into more powerful Super Meteor. The 51 bhp Constellation followed in 1959, and this was superseded in 1963 by a 736cc Interceptor, which is what we are going to see. Its styling was tweaked to give it a street scrambler look and exported to USA commenced. Royal Enfield Redditch plant closed at the beginning of 1967, but Interceptor production continued in the underground factory at Westwood. We got it running. MK2 Interceptor variants followed. Built in small numbers by a team of enthusiastic workers until the factory ceased production in 1970.